college, it's about dressing up smart. But it always seemed like I never had any money for shopping. And sadly, I never knew about the concept of smart shopping. College, a period in your life where you are always broke and left with no money. But a time when dressing up is an integral part of life, where brands seemed like a faraway dream. During college, I always wanted to dress well. But shopping for clothes was not much of an option for me, as I believed money was meant to be spent on food and coffee, more coffee, and lots more coffee. What I didn't realize was those coffee shops took away quite a lot from my wallet. So spending on trendy clothes was not a possibility, and they were also priced way above our range. So for us poor students, it wasn't possible to overhaul our entire wardrobe. So mix and match it was for us. But times have changed now. Thanks to places like Fashion Town, it's easy for you to pick up some decent clothes without spending too much. We owe a great deal to smart shopping. At least I do. Smart shopping, in simple terms, is an aim to find a product that best suits our need and criterion at the required price range. If this sounds like jargon, well, it's just affordable yet good stuff available in the market with, of course, uncompromising quality. Though there were not many choices available then for college goers, now it's a whole different scenario with clothing outlets all over the place. And Fashion Town is a typical store that caters to the needs of teenagers.
We have started this store in the name of Fashion Town in 2002. It was in May. After 4 years, we have shifted there from the other store. Like it was 600 square feet. After 4 years, we shifted. And in that store, it's almost 4 years over. So totally 8 years is over in that store. And this is our second store in the same name in the Fashion Town also. Like it has been opened around 8 months ago in Nadia. And we do have our third shop which is getting ready in Rapida, and it will be open probably within a week.
And we buy clothes from Bangkok, Bangalore, and a lot of places from India. And most of the stock we used to get from Chennai only. And we take stock depends upon the customer what they like.
Fashion Town is a passion turned into business. Their stock is sourced from Bangkok, Mumbai, Bangalore, and from certain places in Tamil Nadu. Giving a pocket-friendly way for the youngsters to keep up with the trend is their basic principle.
Actually, within this 8 months, this is my 4th time. Okay, so and I guess it's a affordable price too. So I'll bring my colleagues and friends, and he's one of my friends.
Yes. The collections are very good. Really, I didn't expect this kind of collections within a small shop. And second thing, the jeans and other things, what I'm looking at in some other shops and this shop, I'm comparing to the price as well as the quality. Because first thing is for me it's a quality. Quality is, I can pay for quality. But here, I'm getting both the things. So it's really good. I like it. Thanks for Ganesh.
Back in college, I either had to follow global trends or set my own style. But in both cases, there was one thing in common. I had to keep changing the way I look. It's in college that we all try to figure out who we are, where we belong. Basically, the process of building our identity and self-image. It's also about being yourself and expressing your individuality through your wardrobe. So what you wear makes who you are. And yes, I believe that clothes make it a man. Whether it's a dress or a pair of jeans, branded or not branded, everything you adorn says something about you. Brands or not, Fashion Town has both. They have clothes from well-known brands like Wrangler and Pepe. But for the not-so-brand conscious, they also have a collection of local brands like Raft, Smog and UD Sports. If the casual look is what suits you, a pair of jeans and t-shirt works just fine. But have you realized how much your peers influence your sense of dressing? There were times when my gang of friends wanted to show the world that we walked together, ate together and even bunked together. And just to re-emphasize that fact, we even dressed alike. And the one thing that you could find in all our wardrobes was a pair of blue jeans and a classic white shirt. A pair of jeans are a must-have for anyone. They are durable, economical and can be worn anywhere. Everyone invariably owns a pair, and yet you could still make a statement without trying too hard. Jeans are probably the best college wear. They are non-fussy. But not all of us got that lucky in college. In college, we had a dress code and not following it meant a lot of trouble for us. We had to dress in formals so we could either complain or make the most out of it. The dress code came as a shock, but being an optimist, I just decided to see the sunnier side and bought myself some beautiful kurtas and salwars. I'm sure at least a couple of you can relate to this. If you're in the same situation as I was, Fashion Town is not a bad option to pick up a few kurtis. Though you're not likely to find anything out of the ordinary, simple daily wear kurtas are what you could buy. But men have a wider range of formal shirts and pants to choose from. A little bias there. College is synonymous with hanging out and partying, and that's one thing I did regularly. And partying meant dress shopping, and at Fashion Town you do find a decent collection of dresses, but the add-ons on some could play spoil sport. The meetings, hanging out, going around town and partying, an essential part of college life. We would beg, borrow and steal clothes from siblings and friends. After all, we didn't want to spend a bomb on a dress that we could wear only once and not repeat till months after. But Fashion Town does have a small yet okay collection of dresses. But for guys, more than partying, it's the jerseys that take the front seat. And I quite like the ones they have here. In my opinion, it's the clothes, true, but also the accessories and shoes that matter. Bad accessories or footwear could ruin the entire effort that went into getting the right clothes. This store has flashy shoes and belts, but that's something you should wear only if you're confident. If not, stick to your comfort zone. You don't have to be Einstein to be a smart shopper. Just make sure you don't shop just because you have to. Shop during off-peak season and during sales, and keep a budget and make sure you stick to it. Well, contrary to what I believed, Fashion Town is not only for the young but also.
This week, Super Shopper sets foot into Amethyst to shop for saris, apparels and stoles designed by Sunita Shankar. Her collection is a blend of contemporary designs and traditional fabrics. The place was home to Tassars, Khadi and Mangalgiri works. Sunita is noted for her Bandhani collection, and her stoles find admirers from all over the world, including Calvin Klein, who picked up several of her stoles during one of his visits to India.
I love the different styles. It's really unusual, and every piece you look at, it looks like a piece of art. It's absolutely stunning. I like they're quite dark, but very deep colours, very rich, and that's really unusual as well.
They're very delicate colours. I liked this pale colours, multicolouredness of it, and the way the colours shade into each other. And in the end, I chose the pale one rather than the purple or definitely not red. I'm not a red person. Yeah, absolutely lovely.
I think Sunita Shankar's clothes are very straight line, very simple, but they have kind of a little bit of class. And I think when I look at her saris, they seem to reflect the same thing, because she earlier does mostly kurtas and shirts. So I think her saris are simple but classy, not kind of over the top. So that's what I like about them.
Visit Amethyst on Whites Road in Royapettah, where designer Sunita Shankar's collection is on display until January 15th.